In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant graphics driver crash error. So in case you're getting that error, here is how to fix it the easiest way possible, okay? Now, if you're using an Nvidia graphics card, which probably most of us are, what you want to do is right-click on your desktop, and if you see no Nvidia options over here, you want to click Show More Options. In here, press Nvidia Control Panel. Now, if you can't see it here, what you want to do is go to your taskbar, click Show Hidden Icons, and then over here you'll see your Nvidia Settings. Double click this and it will open up this app over here. Then what you want to do is first click the plus icon next to this 3D settings here on the left, so click the plus. It will extend you 3 more options. Press Manage 3D Settings, and then from here, click Global Settings up here. Now over here, you will see the preferred graphics processor. What you want to do is select over here on this drop-down menu, you want to select High Performance Nvidia Processor. So simply click that and then press Apply. Now once you've done that, try running Valorant and see if that fixed the issue or if it didn't, okay? So it probably will, but if it didn't, there's a few more things we can do. So as you can see, I haven't applied my changes, so I'm just gonna press no. Now, you have to press yes, of course. Then the second thing you can try doing is if you're using an Nvidia graphics card, you want to download this thing called GeForce Experience over here. You want to open it up, and then of course you'll have to log in. It's very simple to create an account, very straightforward. You want to go to drivers, and over here, click for updates, okay? Check for updates. Now, before you can do this, you can make sure you click these 3 dots and select Game Ready Driver. Now select this one and click Check for Updates, and then download the latest driver and let Nvidia install it automatically onto your computer. If you're using AMD and not Nvidia, I would recommend downloading the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition or just AMD Adrenaline, which is basically a similar app just for AMD graphics cards. And in here, you'll also be able to download your latest drivers, okay? Now, I have over here, as you can see, this edition of the driver, but I don't have an AMD graphics card, so it won't let me update it because, of course, I don't have it. Now, over here, you can click Software and Driver Details. It will give you all the information you need, and then you can just update it via here. It will show you exactly how. So, that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.